Alright, so today, replacing all that. This one is some bad bearings, or I checked the cylinder and stuff. It doesn't seem too smooth, so I'm not sure why it's taking quite a bit of force to turn it in a little bit. So I opened it up probably a month ago already. Haven't gotten back to it in a while. Replaced the carburetor and stuff. It wasn't doing anything then, but it always had a starting issue. I think I figured it out. So, but yeah, replaced about everything but that, and so it'd be basically a brand new chainsaw by the time it's done. So, that's what I'm gonna do. At least I'm gonna try to do this without removing too much of the plastics. I don't think it's possible though. Usually I just do the top end, but since the bearings are bad, I figured I'd do everything. So alright. Got the old one out. These are here. It doesn't look bad, I'm not sure why. The only thing I'm thinking of is maybe the connecting rod is bent. But I can't see it, so. Now this one doesn't look bad. So on that side. That top thing's just what I did, so. It might be alright. Bearings seem okay. So it's probably due anyway. To get it off, there's 4 little bolts. 2 are underneath the handle, so you gotta take at least one screw out to get that to move. There's one thing I guess. And then this as well. It goes right. Well, I could show you. It goes right there. So intake boot looks okay too. I use a little excess silicone, I'm sure it'll be fine. Don't need any leaks. I'm gonna squirt a little bit of oil in there before I start it. I just like to do that. I would definitely recommend it. If it's not required to do it anyway. Brand new chainsaw, almost. I mean, this thing's probably older than I am, but maybe. Alright.